So FSS chapter 16. Now I move this one little bit up. Okay, now we are clear. Now a typical tanker with a double skin. What is the idea of double skin is in case of collisions, you are reducing probability of leaking oil in the sea, a pollution issue is the main issue, because this oil which goes in the sea, see it lot will evaporate and some is going to end up like tar like products on the beaches. And you have to understand one part, that once beach becomes dirty, tourism goes down. Now in the world, I will say tourism is one of the major industries, and large amount of places survive on that. Tourists come there, spend money. It is like this whole year you work, and whatever you have saved, you blow most of it in the on your vacation. So there is a economy which thrives on this, and this becomes the problem. Like for example, tomorrow, some of our favorite tourist destinations like Goa, Simla, or something get affected by something, the businesses are gone completely. Those people, they earn only those few months and live for whole year. Now this is what we actually see what is happening because of these lockdowns and all. Tourism has gone down. So large number of people do not have any sort of employment. So this is what happens with oil pollution. So laws became stricter over the years, and we came with double skin hull. That means, and it will be soon applied to many other places also, because now the things will change more. So now what happens is, I have got inner ship. Okay, let's take it that inner skeleton, which is meant for carrying cargo, hydrocarbon. Okay, means oils. And then there is the outer skin. In between you have got void space, or I will say, I shouldn't use void word, or maybe cofferdam you can use it, whichever way. That space, generally what they do is, if you take a typical cross section of a tanker, all framing goes there and try to keep the oil compartments with minimum amount of framing, so that nothing sticks. All the oil can be discharged properly, there are no deposits, cleaning process becomes easier. In the end, even the pollution possibilities also drop down more. So this second skin, which is what we say, has got like ballast tanks, for example, because space is there, which was created intentionally. And what we use it for, we put the framing inside and then we use it for ballast. So everything is okay, segregated ballast system, ballast tanks are on the sides, very nice. But when you have got oil inside, ballast tanks are empty, because after all the amount of weight you are going to carry. So these tanks which are on side and ballast purpose is ballasting, what happens to them? Under ideal conditions, well, they will always have clean ballast, all tank will be clean, everything very nice. But suppose ship is made up of steel with the welding seams running, I will put hundreds of kilometers probably. Okay, I don't know exact figure, but I assume hundreds of kilometers should not be a big issue for a VLCC class. Then some welding can crack, or sometimes because there is a structure with lot of stresses involved, which you do in construction. So these stresses can also cause a crack. Like if you see older buildings, okay, where we live, as building becomes older, you do notice cracks, correct? And those cracks come on the strength members also. And then there are, like, if a building is about 25-30 years old, you will notice this. Otherwise you also see, because of thermal cracks, because what happens, hot and cold temperatures vary drastically, like Pune for example, temperature can drop down to even 3 degrees 4 degrees Celsius, and it can hit 45-50 degrees also. So variation is big. So like Pune buildings, the inner side buildings, anywhere in the country, develop plaster cracks. Like relatively, Mumbai buildings don't develop these thermal cracks. Why? Because the fluctuation of temperature is very little. So that is the stress related fractures are there. Similarly, things can happen on ships. Even though all calculations were done, all the standards were maintained, but there is a possibility there may be a crack through which oil can leak into ballast tanks. If not oil, then it is also possible that hydrocarbon gases might leak into ballast tanks. Now, ballast tanks have got additional systems. Because first you have to accept this probability that oil can leak into ballast tanks because they are adjoining compartments. Gases can leak into adjoining compartments even though we do not have any other connection, but it may leak through the bulkhead because the crack has developed. Thinking this way, we develop a safety system for ballast tanks. What is that safety system? First thing is, you will need to know if there is a presence of hydrocarbon gases in the ballast tanks by accident. Because if hydrocarbon gases leak there, situation will be hydrocarbon gases plus oxygen, which is available from a normal atmosphere. So the combination can reach in explosive limits, and you can have explosion, you can have fire there. So we need to monitor ballast tank atmosphere. That is why we have got gas measurement unit fixed up there. Now how do you fix it up? You have got a central unit somewhere, and the tubing goes to the tanks. The thin tubes go to the tank, and it keeps on drawing the sample through this pipeline. The tubing is a pipeline, okay? So you have got sampling pipelines connected to all ballast tanks, void spaces of double hull, double bottom spaces, but all are adjacent to cargo tanks. That means the one bulkhead is shared. One side of these tanks, void spaces, double bottom spaces, one side is shared with cargo tank. Okay. Similarly, the forepeak tank is also sharing one bulkhead with the cargo tank. So we consider all possibilities, and anything which is next to cargo tank where there is a probability something can leak is monitored. How? Central unit connected with all these tanks with piping. Through pipe, sample is taken, sucked in, and processed there, and it is identified. Okay, tank number, say ballast tank number 1 port, this is the pipe. 2 port, this is a pipe. 1 starboard, this is a pipe. Double bottom, this is a pipe. And all of them are identified. Now, cargo pump room also has the gas detection system. Hydrocarbon monitoring is done. So it is possible that system is merged together, and you have got one place which is telling you all these spaces are monitored here. Interestingly, we come to something more interesting a little bit longer. So first we have got gas detection system. Each sampling line is independent. That means if you get alarm, you can identify the compartment where the leak is happening. Otherwise it will get mixed up. Number 1, but where? Number 1 port, starboard, where? So here each space has got independence, and you can identify the space moment you get the reading. Now, few things come. Moment you deal with any explosive mixtures, when we did ignition part, you realize something that earthing requirement I had mentioned about static electricity can get generated. So, you do not want non-conductive material there. You use metal because the metal will earth itself and it will not allow build-up of static electricity. Whereas if you use a plastic piping or something synthetic, if it is a non-conductive, you will have static electricity charges accumulating and they will cause the spark. And that time, if you happen to have hydrocarbon gases there, leaked out gases there, you can have explosion. So, the line, the pipelines have to be electrically conductive. So, if you are using non-metallic material, then you make sure there is some sort of a thing to make it electrically conductive. And it is never made up of aluminum. This is some chemical reason. Okay, aluminum reacts faster. Actually, you realize one of the most common mineral on earth has got something to do with aluminum, bauxite. The red soil when you see, it is basically bauxite. Now, minimum of 2 sampling points in each space. Why? If one gets choked for some reason, other one. Now, pipelines also have got a diameter sufficient enough that it should not choke up with liquid, condensed liquid like even water vapors condensing there, and then there is a surface tension, that is what you all have studied, you have to apply. So, that is where it's possible to get choked because you are taking a suction from there. So, there is a vacuum. So, vacuum is much weaker than the forcefully you blow something, and this is the reason you have to have at least two. In ballast tank, void spaces, upper sampling point is not required. Fine. Now, when you put any piping on ship, which is going to deal with gas, because hydrocarbon gas is a gas, isn't it? You are going to take a suction and all. So, you are always careful with condensation collecting in line and choking it up. So, there is arrangement to blow all these lines by compressed air. A connection is given which is always closed only when you decide that you are going to blow it to, it's a routine maintenance part. So, that time you send person in each place, that guy says, yes, sunne ko aata hai. Normally what happens is very often we just listen to this, because if you blow through with compressed air, wherever compressed air is leaking, it makes racket. So, there is also alarm system to indicate clock sampling line. That means another method, something is not right. This line is clock. That means you go and blow it first. Gets cleared up, very good. If not, then you have to go for more major work. Gas analysis unit, because all the samples are going to go to gas analysis unit. That is always in a safe place. Should not get affected by any fires or anything. Detection unit is going to take sample from each space, less than 30 minutes interval. Now, what happens is you have got a fixed system, very good. It's always better to have fixed system. But you also have arrangement, portable unit is also given. In case you have got a problem with the fixed one, you use the portable unit. Then as usual, the standard practice for everything is audible, visible alarms. Cargo control room, navigation bridge, anywhere, because it is a serious affair. If something is leaking, that people must know instantly. Now, where it reaches predetermined value is not uh, decided by you taking only LFL or something like that. No, I decide what is predetermined value as a captain or as a say classification society. It is decided which will be always lesser, means you get warning much before the accumulation becomes serious issue, so you get enough time to deal with it. And this is where the limits are fixed up. It is designed for readily testing and calibration, because anything you're going to use for monitoring and you're going to measure percentages and all, it must be also checked, no, that is it showing the right temperature, like, or is it showing a right reading. Like if I take oxygen meter, put it in open atmosphere, I expect to see reading of 21 in open, normal. But still, we have got a calibration kits. We use them and then we say, okay, this is the correct way of doing it. So calibration is important, testing is important. Additionally, something I will tell you, IG systems which are designed to remove the oxygen from the compartments and ensuring that the atmosphere might be below the lower flammable limit or above upper one, but we get rid of oxygen, that is why we use inert gas. All inert gas systems also have connection to ballast tanks surrounding cargo tank. The same way we are monitoring here. What is the use of monitoring if I get the reading saying that yes, the gas is leaking there or gas is present there, hydrocarbon gas? What am I supposed to do? Become like Aajkal ka, no, what is that channel? Aaj Tak, whatever is the channel where there is always melodrama. Sarkar kya kar rahi hai and all. Am I supposed to do that? No. What I will do is get rid of oxygen from that, so that before we deal with leakage or deal with repairs and track it down and do anything, I ensure that that ballast tank is not going to explode. So I have to have some arrangement. That arrangement is in form of inert gas system connection, which are normally kept close. But if you realize something is happening, start inert gas plant, put the gas in that respective compartments, so that you have ensured now there will be no fire. Got the points clearly? Dinesh, Kshitij,
Yes, sir.
क्षितिज आई क्या उधर के यूथरवर्स में घूमने को गया?
सर दिनेश बोल रहा हूँ.
Dinesh, I can see you, means I can hear you. I am asking Kshitij because he was interested in youthverse.com.
मैं पूछ के आता हूँ सर.
हाँ पूछ के आया. शौनक,
Yes, sir.
you understood?
Yes, sir.
Remember one thing, inert gas connection to ballast tank exists. That is the point. Okay, it is not only for the cargo tank, it has got its own piping which also provides it to ballast tanks. That is important point. And also important point is to remember that every area, every compartment surrounding cargo compartments on tankers need to be monitored for any possibility of leakage in form of either directly inside, which will produce the hydrocarbon gases, or leakages of hydrocarbon gases. Kshitij is back.
Yes, sir.
You understood?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
I thought you had gone to search that utherverse.com.
नहीं नहीं सर वो तो उसी टाइम देख लिया था.
देख लिया था, समझा ना? हाँ, विशाल, Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Very good. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Uday, अभी देखो. Uday, are you there? और अभी एक्सक्यूज भी क्या होगा मालूम है? अभी एनीबडी गेट्स कॉट हियर. नहीं सर, मम्मी ने बुलाया था खाना खाने के लिए. नीलेश, आर यू देयर? नीलेश, सब बदमाशगिरी करने लगे. आई नो इट गेट्स बोरिंग, टू मनी रिपीटिशंस एंड ऑल. रोहिन, रोहिन, देख.
बच्चे सर जा दीजिए.
हाँ, क्या हो गया?
बच्चे सर जाने दीजिए.
बच्चे? कौन बच्चे? तुम लोग को
यही
अभी भी
सर
लगता है
वही.
बच्चे है क्या?
नहीं सर, इसको ही लगता है खाली।
क्या बच्चे यार, खुद की साइज देखो क्या है. 6.25 फुट, 6 फुट. नहीं सर, हम तो बच्चे हैं.
नहीं है सर.
हाँ. नहीं, यू हैव टू सी. दिस इज समथिंग यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड इज, वो सब हो गया. दिस इज अ ट्रांजिशन स्टेज. बाय द टाइम यू फिनिश ग्रेजुएशन यू आर सपोज टू बी टोटली ready for the world. So this transition stages you have certain difficulties at time, changing over array yaar, because now what happens, the worst part is you are with your parents, so they are going to treat you as a bachcha hai, it is going to go on, but depends on how you should be fighting like no, I'm not a kid anymore. यही गड़बड़ होती है, सब जगह होती है, स्पेशली ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड इट हैपन्स. इट्स नॉट ओनली इंडियन कल्चर, ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड इट हैपन्स. एंड नाउ 4 महीने का डोज मिला ना तुम लोग को, खुश थे. अभी हम हॉस्टल में रहते, जो मंगता है कर सकते हैं. नाउ यू आर बैक होम. तो बोलो अभी, what else now? Next one, how do we start? Now technically we have finished FSS code. We can do the LSA, life saving appliances, next time. Hmm?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Hey, something we'll have to do it, no? Because we have to continue doing it till everybody gets fed up of you.
Okay sir.
Right now, I think it is parents who have asked Iyer sir, make sure they are studying. नहीं, actually अभी एक समझेगा, because you see July is halfway through practically. August we have got this exams for third year and DNS, Vivas and couple of things. This time bound assignments will start in this month. So are you ready for time bound assignments if required? Most of the questions you have probably covered under that initial assignments which I had asked you to do every day, few pages, few pages. So you should have it ready. And then I gave you one book also. Not you. No, first year guys, that is. Somebody had made, one of you had made very good one, which was passed on to them for revision. If you start using those questions for revision, you will be okay. Now you already have questions and answers, correct? Through your assignment, if you are done sincerely. You have got question answers everywhere. So next time we will start. Next time we will start with either SOLAS life saving part and LSA code. Then when we finish that, then we will see where do we go after that. Okay.
Okay sir.
Good. And don't
Yes,
ask,
sir.
can we go? You still have time. 15 minutes, and we lost something in the beginning. Any other questions? अच्छा, मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है. Now this Airtel Wi-Fi is coming. Are you getting the same thing? Huh?
I don't.
Airtel Wi-Fi.
तो एयरटेल ने तो अभी एक नया चीज चालू किया है, जियो जीरो कस्टमर कंप्लेंट्स.
What is that new thing?
सर मतलब उनको है ना जीरो कस्टमर कंप्लेंट्स चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ सर्वे टाइप कर रहे हैं उन लोग.
Possibly, but they have worked all right. But there is something called Wi-Fi, Airtel Wi-Fi.
यस सर, फाइबर.
नहीं 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 नहीं. This is
फाइबर
something.
नहीं, वो जियो फाई टाइप.
नहीं
अरे
नहीं. That is
मैं
a
एक
land
मैं एक
connect.
वो वाला गया नहीं सर.
जियो फाई ना, ये फोटोन.
नहीं नहीं
सर
नहीं.
वो सर 4G हॉटस्पॉट कह रहे हो.
Yeah, correct correct. That is what I'm
हाँ
saying.
सर, वो जियो फाई जैसा है.
हाँ सर वो सही चलता है सर, वो मेरे पास है सर. कॉलेज में चलाते हैं हम.
हॉस्टल में लेकर आया था सिटी.
नहीं, it is like the phone should be equipped for that. मेरा वाला है. I see
सर
sometimes
उसे
Airtel.
MiFi कहते हैं सर, उसे MiFi.
हाँ, something like that only. मेरा वाला चलता है. But I don't know, because what they are saying is your calls from inside space. If you have got Wi-Fi there, it will be much clearer. So I don't know. अभी है, चालू तो किया है, एक्टिवेट है. Speeds are also okay. Let me see right now on this how much speed I will get.
सर अनलिमिटेड वाला रिचार्ज करा के सिम डालना सर, उसमें फिर बढ़िया चलता है सर. वो
मेरा अनलिमिटेड ही है.
वो बढ़िया चलता है सर फिर.
नहीं नहीं, एक मिनट. अनलिमिटेड व्हाट?
सर अनलिमिटेड वाला पैक होता है ना सर एयरटेल का.
But unlimited is for your mobile phones.
मतलब प्रीपेड कस्टमर्स के लिए तो सर लिमिट वाला रहता है कि 2 GB पर डे, 1.5 GB पर डे. लेकिन सर उसका अलग प्लान आता है, एक 700 कुछ रुपए का सर, वो अनलिमिटेड रहता है.
हाँ, एक्चुअली देखा, राइट नाउ आई एम चेकिंग इट. आई गॉट डाउनलोड स्पीड. Okay, here, but there is a problem, because what happened is my Wi-Fi is also on, but I am getting about 30. एक मिनट, मेरे को ये करने दो. Wi-Fi बंद किया. Okay, now Airtel 4G. Let me try again. Airtel 4G. I am getting 8 download, and upload is hitting 30. It has come down to 1920. Okay, 25 upload, 25 Mbps, and download 8.17. So that's not bad, no? I'm going to change the place. So then I had to see how that signal is little weaker. Here I got a booster, so I had to shift the booster also there. And otherwise, how's life? Boredom is bad, or is it tolerable?
सर बैड.
Then try this, what I have told you, na? What happens is, you all log in and go there, then you can keep on chatting with each other also there. I think you can do voice chatting also on that, because I don't know, I used it long back.
सर मैंने ट्राई किया था एक ऐप में सर.
तो क्या हो गया, कैसा था?
ठीक है सर, मतलब किसी आदमी से आप बात कर सकते हो, मतलब ऐसे वर्चुअल रूम बनाया हुआ था. आप जा सकते हो, मतलब रीड कर सकते हो, बात कर सकते हो.
आदमी की लड़कियां, लड़कियां बोलती.
Oh, don't worry, you will get lot of fake ones.
हाँ, तो उसमें अवतार बना के रखा है.
हाँ, but अवतार होता है. Anyway, what happens is, idea is, you are talking, right, and you have got ambience like. So ambience में you think as if you are listening to music, you think you are dancing on the floor there. वो भी automatically होता है. You go there and you decide which dance you are doing. हाँ, Utherverse is quite good, but it is quite advanced also.
They are trying to make it for the VR, virtual reality.
Yeah, it is virtual reality,
Yes.
but what happens is maybe you will find some meeting spaces and all, where there is little more physical movement and all. Otherwise, chatting is one thing, you keep on chatting and all that also is okay. But if you get ambience along with it, nothing like it. Try करके देखो, फ्री वाले में ही यूज़ करो.
तो ये तो डाउनलोड करनी पड़ेगी.
हाँ, वो तो डाउनलोड करनी पड़ती है, काफ़ी है. Because all your movements, everything are on your computer. If you are dancing in a particular way, that is all there on your computer, and it needs certain bandwidth. But I think 8-10 bandwidth में चलता है. Another thing, it needs laptop, because I don't think it works on Android to my knowledge. But कुछ ना कुछ activities करो, then you will not get bored, because it
आप
is going to
क्या
be
करते हो
tough.
सर सारा दिन?
हाँ,
क्लासेस लेने के बाद आप क्या करते हो सारा दिन सर?
अच्छा बस
कुकिंग सीखा कितने लोग? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू लर्न कुकिंग?
कुकिंग तो सर शुरू शुरू का शौक था.
हाँ सर करते कुकिंग.
नहीं, just what happens is those are lots of stress busters, cooking and all. So maybe what will happen is you will become good with it, and that is a good skill to have. Time pass भी होता है, because that is going to be big challenge for you all. It is like you are in prison and prison में से सीख रहे हैं. That is what happens. चलो अभी कितना बजा है? Okay,
50 12
50.
50 हो गया सर.
Okay, chalo. You all can go, because today we can't start a new topic right now. Any
Yes,
doubts anybody has got?
नो सर.
एक दो का नोट immediately आ जाता है. Anybody has got doubt?
नहीं सर.
No doubts whatsoever? How many of you have been praying for Amitabh Bachchan?
नो वन सर.
Actually, you shouldn't be knowing the guy also practically, except that great talent. But he is acting in films, you can say, about 50 years plus. And he has
सर
been.
नेपोट
हाँ,
सब नेपोटिज्म के वजह से भड़के हुए सर.
अरे नेपोटिज्म का बुलशिट बंद करो. एक खाली पीली, just because one guy commits suicide, everybody is excited over it. You realize one thing, our whole society is based on nepotism only. Because अब ऐसा था ना, कुंभार का लड़का कुंभार ही होना चाहिए, right? This is how.
राजा का बेटा ही राजा बनेगा.
हाँ, so it has been
Yes.
always the case. Our whole
The
culture is
politics.
actually, after democracy, outsiders started getting chances. I mean, suppose if somebody's father has got oil business, I'm talking like edible oil business, son also goes in the same thing, no? It is natural है. And with our democratic methods, people started getting chance. Otherwise एक जमाना वही था, डॉक्टर का बच्चा डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर का बच्चा इंजीनियर, ऐसे ही चालू था सब जगह. तो अभी एकदम एक्साइटमेंट चालू हो जाते हैं. नेपोटिज्म नेपोटिज्म तो होने वाला ही है. हु डजंट डू इट? इसलिए ना, वन अमेरिकन पायलट टोल्ड मी, आई आस्क्ड हिम, why you don't see many outsiders entering this pilotage field? He said, you realize our ancestors, our great grandparents and all, they started these pilotage services. So it is natural for us to get into the same one. Okay, it's very well paid. But same thing happens everywhere. And now everybody suddenly thinking that, अभी एक और चीज़ देखो, okay? We had so many music competitions, ये वो सब कुछ था ना, dance competitions, everything. Where did they end up, all the winners? You need
नहीं सर आप तो बोलो.
इन्वेस्टमेंट करने वाला होएगा कोई भी, ओके? You invest the money on the talent where which is going to make money for you. So even the support will be like that. And then anybody with money will always reach higher because of lot of things are taken care of. Correct? पैसा होता है, you can utilize it better, so you struggle less. ये तो चालू रहने वाला है. And film industry was developed by the filmies, so they are going to do that. मेरा बच्चा मेरा कपूर फैमिली को इतने साल देखते समय कोई थक नहीं गया. Politics में is also same. If I am MP and when I have to leave that, I want my son to be MP or my daughter to be MP. Correct? Same story.
यस सर.
इतना
सर
ज्यादा
लेकिन
सोचो.
चला नहीं ना.
हाँ.
राहुल गांधी किधर चला सर?
अरे कोई भी सब सेम होने वाले. Nobody seems to be in politics without any strings attached somewhere. Everybody is same. Otherwise खाना पीना कहाँ से लाते पैसा? वो मेरे को कोई ना कोई बताना चाहिए. If somebody says मैं देश कार्य कर रहा हूँ गई 40 साल. अरे 40 साल मेरे घर में पैसा कहाँ से आया खाने पीने के लिए? Who pays me? Earlier days, long back, when we got independence, we had people who were working in offices and part-time politics hota tha. We had people like local corporators, MLAs and all. They had a job and then they were also in politics when we were young. And I think by the time I was probably 25, that practice stopped and everybody is a full-time politician. Full-time politician होएगा तो खाने पीने का पैसा कहाँ से आ रहा है? It is the profession.
पब्लिक का पैसा.
हाँ तो होएगा ही ना. पब्लिक भी उतना ही गधा है अभी भी. Every day there are ads. Nowadays what happens is some ads I see, एक sad looking बच्चे का फोटो होता है, उधर sad looking woman is there. She says my son is dying with cancer, needs 35 lakh rupees. And there are people who are donating it because easy come easy go भी होता है, like IT industry and all. People are raked in money. तो खर्चा करने में कौन डरता है? तो दे दो. How many scamsters are everywhere? मंदिर में बार्गेनिंग होती है. कितने
सर
रुपए
अभी
में?
ऑनलाइन भी आ गए.
हाँ बट
naukri.com वगैरह पे भी है.
हाँ बट होल थिंग इज ये पूजा करनी है उसके लिए तो 20,000 रुपया लगेगा. बार्गेनिंग. I can't understand. Puja was supposed to be some a ritual, right? But people actually demand money. इतना मांगता है, नहीं तो नहीं हो सकता है. I have seen this one happening even in Smashan. Okay, उधर में वो चालू था. बार्गेनिंग वॉज गोइंग ऑन. नहीं नहीं उसको 10,000 रुपया लगेगा, नहीं 5,000 में करो. मीन्स वॉट इज इट? Every place is corrupted. All religions, everywhere you find. It's not that one particular religion or something. Everywhere there is corruption. I have been to very holy places, Jerusalem and all. But believe me, corruption is everywhere when it comes to money. That's the way it happens. So तुम लोग ये एज में ज़्यादा सीरियस मत बनो. ये एज यू लिव योर एज हैप्पीली. बुढ़े होने के बाद आपे आप किधर ना किधर फिर तुम्हारा चालू होएगा. बट एट यंग एज डोंट गेट इन्वॉल्व इन ऑल दिस theoretical world. Your theoretical world doesn't go anywhere. Okay, चलो, I will call it a day. ठीक, अभी अटेंडेंस बढ़ गया एंड होने को आया तो.
कितना बड़ा सर?
अभी 37 हो गए.
चालू है सर.